Hello, and welcome to this video on how to make money being an influencer. In today's world, the term influencer has become synonymous with social media fame and fortune. And for good reason. Influencers have the power to sway the opinions of millions of people worldwide. But being an influencer isn't just about fame and followers. It's also about using that influence to create a successful business that generates income. In this video, we will discuss the various ways you can monetize your influence and make money as an influencer. Part 1. Building your brand. The first step to becoming a successful influencer is to build your brand. Your brand is the unique identity that sets you apart from other influencers and helps you connect with your audience. To build your brand, you need to identify your niche and target audience. Choose a topic that you are passionate about and have expertise in. For example, if you love fashion, you can create a fashion blog or Instagram account. If you're into fitness, you can create a YouTube channel or TikTok account focused on health and wellness. Once you've identified your niche, create a consistent and compelling brand image. This includes choosing a unique name, developing a logo, and creating a website or social media profile that showcases your personality and expertise. It's important to be authentic and genuine in your content and to engage with your audience regularly. This will help you build a loyal following and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Here are some steps you can take to build a strong brand. 1. Define your niche. The first step in building a brand as an influencer is to define your niche. This means identifying the specific topic or industry you want to focus on and becoming an expert in that area. Your niche should be something you are passionate about, and it should be specific enough to differentiate you from other influencers. 2. Develop a unique voice and style. Once you've defined your niche, the next step is to develop a unique voice and style that sets you apart from other influencers. Your voice and style should align with your niche and be reflective of your personality and values. This can include the tone of your content, the language you use, and the visual style of your posts. 3. Create consistent branding elements. To establish a strong brand, it's important to create consistent branding elements that appear across all your content. This can include your logo, color scheme, font, and overall visual style. Consistent branding helps your audience recognize and remember your content and creates a sense of familiarity and trust. 4. Build your online presence. Your online presence is crucial for building your brand as an influencer. This includes your social media accounts, website, and other online platforms where you share your content. It's important to be consistent across all your online platforms and to maintain a strong and active presence on each platform. 5. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is essential for building a strong brand and establishing a loyal following. This can include responding to comments and messages, asking for feedback, and involving your audience in your content creation process. By engaging with your audience, you create a sense of community and establish a personal connection with your followers. 6. Be transparent and authentic. Transparency and authenticity are key elements of building a strong brand as an influencer. It's important to be honest and transparent with your audience, especially when it comes to sponsored content or partnerships. Being authentic in your content and interactions with your audience helps you build trust and establish yourself as a credible and relatable influencer. 7. Continuously evaluate and improve. Building a strong brand is an ongoing process, and it's important to continuously evaluate and improve your brand strategy. This can include monitoring your engagement and growth metrics, analyzing your content performance, and staying up to date with industry trends and changes. By continuously evaluating and improving your brand strategy, you can adapt to changes in the industry and stay ahead of the competition. By following these steps, you can establish a strong brand as an influencer and attract a loyal following. A strong brand not only helps you build your influence, but also provides a foundation for monetizing your influence and creating a successful career as an influencer. Part 2. Monetizing your influence. There are several ways to monetize your influence and make money as an influencer. In this section, we'll discuss some of the most common methods. 1. Sponsored content. One of the most common ways influencers make money is through sponsored content. brands will pay you to promote their products or services to your audience. This can include sponsored posts on social media, sponsored videos on YouTube or TikTok, or sponsored blog posts on your website. The amount you can earn from sponsored content depends on several factors, such as the size of your following, your engagement rate, and the brand you are working with. When working with brands, it's important to disclose sponsored content to your audience. This is not only a legal requirement but also builds trust with your followers. Be selective when choosing which brands to work with, and only promote products or services that align with your values and niche. 2. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money as an influencer is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Affiliate marketing can be done through social media, blog posts, or email marketing. To be successful with affiliate marketing, it's important to choose products or services that align with your niche and will be of value to your audience. It's also important to disclose affiliate links to your followers, so they know that you will earn a commission if they make a purchase. 3. Digital products. Creating and selling your digital products is another way to monetize your influence. This can include ebooks, online courses, webinars, or printables. When creating digital products, it's essential to ensure that they provide value to your audience and align with your niche. You can promote your digital products through social media, email marketing, or your website. You can also work with other influencers to promote your products to a broader audience. 4. Brand partnerships. Brand partnerships involve collaborating with a brand on a long-term basis to create sponsored content, joint promotions, and campaigns. This can be a lucrative way to monetize your influence and create a stable income stream. When choosing brand partnerships, it's important to ensure that the brand aligns with your values and niche, and that the partnership provides value to your audience. It's also important to negotiate the terms of the partnership, including compensation, deliverables, and the length of the partnership. 5. Public speaking and event appearances. As your influence grows, you may be invited to speak at events or appear at public appearances. This can include speaking at conferences, hosting workshops or webinars, or even attending events as a guest. These appearances can provide a significant income stream and can also help you build your brand and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. To be successful with public speaking and event appearances, it's important to develop your public speaking skills, be knowledgeable in your niche, and be able to engage and connect with your audience. Part 3. Tips for success. Becoming a successful influencer takes hard work, dedication, and persistence. Here are some tips to help you succeed as an influencer. 1. Be authentic and genuine. Your authenticity is what sets you apart from other influencers. It's essential to be genuine and honest in your content. Engage with your audience regularly, and be transparent about your partnerships and sponsored content. 2. Be consistent. Consistency is key to building your brand and establishing yourself as an influencer. It's essential to post regular content, engage with your audience consistently, and maintain your brand image. 3. Focus on quality content. Quality content is what attracts and retains your audience. It's important to create high-quality content that is engaging, informative, and aligns with your niche. 4. Collaborate with other influencers. Collaborating with other influencers can help you grow your following, reach a broader audience, and create new income streams. It's important to collaborate with influencers who align with your values and niche and can provide value to your audience. 5. Stay up to date with trends and changes. The world of social media is constantly changing, and it's important to stay up to date with new trends, algorithms, and changes. This will help you adapt your strategy and stay ahead of the competition. In conclusion, being an influencer can be a rewarding and lucrative career. To be successful as an influencer, it's essential to build your brand, monetize your influence, and stay dedicated to providing value to your audience. By following these tips and staying up to date with new trends and changes, you can create a successful career as an influencer and make money doing what you love. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.